Okay, crack your Red Bulls and let me lecture about freelancing, the business model of freelancing. So what is freelancing? But first, Red Bull. Nice. Freelancing, we've all heard of it. Essentially, it is doing work for other people without being an employee, so on a contractor basis. Now, for many people, this is a great way to get started earning online. For thousands and thousands and thousands of people, this is how they have gotten started in their remote work journey. And it could be for you. But the way that I look at it, big picture, is while it can be great, a lot of people look at it as, well, you're still kind of employed because you're not building anything that you own. And of course, we are all entrepreneurs here. So long term, we want to build something that we own. Being an owner, all right, being on that right side of the cash flow quadrant, not staying as a employee or contractor. So freelancing is great. And for many of you, this will be the start of your journey. But if you are freelancing, keep in mind that you are gonna want to turn it into an agency in the future. So anyone who gets started freelancing, I say, okay, that's great, but are you prepared to start outsourcing this and turning it into a digital marketing company in the future? So keep that in mind. If running an agency, a people person business is not for you, then if you want to get started freelancing, maybe that's not the best, but you still could. You can still definitely get started freelancing, just doing solo freelancing, okay, for a year or a while. And on the side of your freelancing, so the freelancing will be your immediate income, your first way to get a consistent $1,000+ a month, whatever. And then on the side of that, you can be building your business, whether physical product, digital product business. So this is one way to look at freelancing, as just a quick source of immediate income. Now, I said in my agency video that I made my first 1K into my PayPal bank account within about 60 days freelancing, offering Amazon services on Upwork. So, and I know many people who have made their first 1,000+ within the first 90 days. So yeah, that's freelancing. There are, of course, many different skills that you can do freelancing, such as freelance writing, coding, proofreading, translating, video editing. So what I would implore you to do is, if freelancing is interesting to you, look out there and see what skills are in demand and look at those and see if you have any experience with those and if any of those are interesting to you. So the perfect space to be freelancing in is something that's in demand, something that you're good at, and obviously something that you enjoy doing or that you can tolerate doing. But don't expect that your freelance gig is going to be something that you enjoy doing. Okay, I don't necessarily enjoy launching Amazon products, doing pay-per-click advertising, but it's something I have experience in, and it's something that's in demand. So think of that. You know, crypto writing is very popular right now. Coding, web apps is very popular right now. Video editing is very popular. If you speak another language, translating is very popular. And so if you want to make money relatively soon and you want to get started freelancing, the same thing if you want to start an agency, okay, is I would implore you to go today and sign up for an Upwork account. And I just heard this the other day from someone who said Upwork is getting more stringent with accepting new freelancers, because there's like lots of freelancers there. So what you need to do to get approved on Upwork is you need to apply in a weird category. So don't do like any big category like social media marketing or something like that. Choose translation. Choose like Japanese translation or something weird, something that they don't have enough freelancers for, and that's when they will accept you. And then as soon as you get your account, then you can choose, then you can edit your profile information to make it whatever that you want to offer, whether it is copywriting or whatever it is. All right, that's the tip. So for a lot of you, freelancing is going to be your journey. So many ways to do freelancing, and so yeah, just do your research and figure out what's in demand and what you can do. Of course, ask me, ask in the tribe, what you think would be good. Run ideas by me, and that's my philosophy of freelancing. Great to get started, but ideally you could turn it into an agency model in the future from your freelancing. Or if you don't want to do an agency, freelancing could just be one of your sources of income. You could do this part-time while building your online business on the side. So that's freelancing. Yo, bros. So this video was from my Digital Nomad Beginner's Guide, starter kit, if you will. So check out the link somewhere around here. 30 more videos plus a long PDF of videos just like this. So if you're one of the guys that hits me up, Riley, I want to live this life, I want to be a digital nomad, live this freedom life, but I have no idea where to even fucking start, I've put this guide together over the years for you, outlining all the most popular business models that I and my friends do to earn income online, the mindsets you should have, side hustle hacking, and a bonus section as well on a transitioning from regular career / life to a location independent / international digital nomad life. So if that's you, check out the Beginner's Guide, a bunch of videos and a PDF breaking it all down for you. And yeah, hope to see you guys out here. Peace.